Hello guys, welcome to my channel. To install Perplexity app on your Windows computer, you can search in Google, go to desktop app option, go to the official website. And once you go to the official website, so over here you can see Windows download. So click on download over here and let the download complete. Once done, you can run this exe file. And over here you can see it's installing. So here you can see it's installed. Now you can start using. You can even install it from the Microsoft Store. So there is an app, and here you can see Perplexity, and now you can click on install, and you can even install the Microsoft Store version if you want. So this is how you can download, install, and use Perplexity on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.